This is going to be a simple video on how to make banana oatmeal. The first thing to do is to boil 6 cups of water. I've already started boiling it, so it's pretty hot. Then you can take, I usually let my bananas get a little brown because then they're sweeter. So then you open up the banana, if you're ever wondering what to do with those bananas that go bad quickly. I usually just put mine in whole. They're very soft. I did 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water. It's one of my favorite old-time worship songs. So this simply just sweetens the water. Then you're just going to add a little pinch of salt. I use pink Himalayan, which is the healthiest for you. Just a pinch. The pinch of salt just enhances the flavor. Then I add ground cinnamon, which is good for digestive, and cinnamon is good for weight loss. You can get this for $1 at Ocean State Job Lot. I like lots of cinnamon. 6 cups of water. To 3 cups of rolled oats. I literally just broke. Don't do that. My first cup wasn't really a full cup, so I'm adding extra. Just stir. Now I'm mashing up the banana. I have the heat on low. Hi, how you doing? I hate when crumbs get on the counter. It's one of my favorite worship songs too. This is I Love You So Much. Hillsong. So I just mash the banana, slowly stir. And these are rolled oats, so you just let them cook slowly. That part takes about, I like it to go about 15, 20 minutes. This is just a nice hearty, since we're all quarantined and home. Now, this is totally optional, but I like to add just a tiny bit of butter. Now this is plant-based because we are on that plant-based lifestyle. Or as my son would call himself, a flexitarian. But I've been a vegan since January 1st, which I'll talk more about another time. It's just like a tablespoon. Also like to add a little flaxseed, which you can do on the end. When you make your bowl, you can add flaxseed, you can add blueberries. Let me show you some of the things I add. These are organic coconut chips. They're unsweetened because this is pretty sweet with the bananas in it. And then fresh blueberries. I usually add sliced almonds, but I'm actually out of them. But so good. You just keep stirring. And eventually this will thicken up. And actually, every meal I cook today, I will videotape it because this plant-based lifestyle is actually pretty delicious, and I'm a meat eater. There's even some things that I haven't incorporated yet, like making my own vegan burgers. Right now, I buy them pre-made, but I'll show the brand that I love later when I'm making lunch. But today is Sunday. It's the second week of the quarantine in Massachusetts. So here we are. So I'm gonna let this go for another 15, 20 minutes. I'll take a picture. Put it at the end. But look at this, it's so good, right? And it smells like banana bread. So good. So very simple. It's what to do with those bananas. I'm gonna let it go. And you have a wonderful morning.